Hi, in this video, I will be showing you on how to remove saved pins from Pinterest. So first is you locate your Pinterest app. Click on your profile icon, which is located on the lower right corner of your screen beside the message icon. By doing so, you can now find all your saved pins that are grouped into boards with their corresponding title. So click on any board. For this instant is the baggy board. Choose the picture that you want to delete and long press. By doing long press the picture that you want to delete, and these 5 icons will then pop up. Choose the icon which has the pencil, which is the edit, and click delete this pin. And that is how you delete a saved pin from Pinterest. Or you can also go to all pins, which has all your pins but are ungrouped. So same process, long press the pin, the picture or pin, choose the edit button and delete this pin. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.